Hello everyone, I'm Preeti Rajani from BISP Solutions. I'm working as functional consultant in BISP Solutions. So today we are going to discuss reference data sharing in this video. So let's start. What is reference data sharing? Reference data sharing facilitates sharing of configuration data such as jobs and payment terms across organizational divisions or business units. You define reference data sets and determine how common data is shared or partitioned across business entities to avoid duplication and reduce maintenance effort. Depending on the requirement, specific or common, each business unit can maintain its data at a central location using a set of values either specific to it or shared by other business units. There are two types of reference data set. One is common and the other one is custom. Common reference data set. Common reference data set is available as a default set, which can be assigned to several business units, sharing the same reference data set. For commonly used data, such as currencies, you can use the common reference data set and assign it to multiple business units in various countries that use the same currency. In cases where the default set can't be assigned to an entity, you can create specific sets. The data set visible on the transaction page depends on the sharing method used to share reference data. You can use this picture image to understand the common reference data set properly. You can see there's a common set. Common set is a seeded that is provided by Oracle Fusion application, and the specific reference data set is something that we create on the basis of requirement of an enterprise. The second reference data set is custom. A custom reference data set is created according to the specific requirement of enterprise. We can understand the custom reference data set with this image. We have an enterprise called D Homes. D Homes is operating its business in two countries, that is North America and Europe. D Homes have two payment terms. First is to make payment in 30 days, and the second one is to make payment in 45 days. North America can avail both the payment terms, that is net 30 days and net 45 days, but the Europe can avail only net 30 days payment term. Here, North America and Europe cannot use common reference data sets. So we have to create two different reference data sets. One reference data set will consist of payment term of net 30 days, and the other reference data set will consist of both 30 days and 45 days, and we will assign respectively. Reference data sets are logical groups of reference data that various transactional entities can use depending on the business context. You can get started using either the common reference data set or the enterprise set, depending on your implementation requirement. You can also create and maintain additional reference data sets while continuing to use the common reference data set. Reference data set functionality. Reference data set in Oracle Fusion Cloud allows sharing and partitioning of data elements. This happens at a business unit level. There are three types of reference data sets. First, common. Data elements with common reference data set will be available for all business units, irrespective of the reference data sets assigned to the business unit for that data element. Second, enterprise. Data elements with enterprise reference data set will be available only for the business units with reference data sets as enterprise for the relevant data element. Third, custom. Custom reference data sets serve the same purpose as enterprise data sets. Only difference is that enterprise is a seeded reference data set provided by Oracle, and custom reference data set can be created by users as required. Now we will see how practically reference data set is created in instance. We will go to setup and action menu from here. We will go to setup and maintenance. So select it. Go to task list. Select on manage implementation project. From this page, we can create the project and also we can select our project. So I will select the project that I already created. Select the project. From task option, search the task manage reference data sets. Go to manage reference data set. Click on go to task option. From here, with the search option, we can see all the reference data sets that have been created. These two reference data sets are seeded and are provided by Oracle Fusion application. This can be used by default. We can create our reference data set from here. So give the name. Click on save and close. Now we will assign this to business unit. So search the task, manage business unit, set assignment. Click on it. Click on go to task option. Here we can see that the reference data set code is common. In location, here we can assign the reference data set that we have created. Search. Select, click on OK, and click on save and close. This is how we created reference data set and assigned to location. Thank you.